Creating dictionary with mixed data types. To create a dictionary with mixed data types using curly brackets, so we start with defining the name for our dictionary. So this time we are going to save the ID, the name, the role, skills, and the experience of our employee. So the name of the dictionary we have selected is employee. So employee is equal to a curly bracket. Now the first thing is the employee ID or simply ID colon 101. Then we will have the name of the employee as colon. So name of the employee is Amit. Then after this, we will select the role. The role of the employee using colon is engineer. Then comma. Then we will select the skills of the employee. So now here the employees may have more than one skill and we want to store or the save all the relevant skill. So to store more than one skill, we select a square bracket or we are saving as dictionary. So the values of the key skills are in the form of a dictionary. So the employee has has Python skill and also AI skills are there, and also has skills related to ML or machine learning. So we have stored 101 as integer, the name as string, role is also a string, engineer, and the skills as a list of strings. After skills, we will store the experience of the employee. So the experience of our employee is a float or a decimal 5.2. So this is how we can create the dictionary of employee. Now let's create the same dictionary with the name employee, but this time use the dict construct. So dict with round bracket, now the ID. Now here to define or to select the keys, we need not to have within inverted comma. So ID is equal to 101, right, comma, then the name is equal to Amit. The keys need not to be in inverted comma, but the values have to be if they are string. Then role is the key, and the role of the employee is engineer, and comma, the next line is the skill. The skills the employee have are in the form of a list because the employee do have more than one values against the skills. So Python, then we have AI and the ML. This is how we create a dictionary using a dict construct. Now print our employee dictionary and we'll be able to see the values are there. Now we want to access the values one by one, so using a key. So we want to print the employee dictionary, and this time we want to print, say, the name only. So the name, right, so it will provide us the name, right? So if you want to extract the skill which is a list, so employee and instead of name we will write the skills, okay, and it will give us the skills of the employee, all the skills of the employee as a list, Python, AI, and ML. So we will create a dictionary with the name employee. The keys are ID, name, role, skills, and experience. Skills in our case is a list because it holds multiple values. Then we can print the name of the employee, and we can also have the skills of the employee.